today I'm going to show you how to download a video from your YouTube channel without using these YouTube computers. They have viruses in it and they might break your computer. You might not use it anymore. First, what you want to do is click on content and then find your video that you want to download. For example, like this. Click on it. For example, you want to download this. And you click on edit title in this script. You click on this button. Then you will see in the now. Click on the three dots. Click on download. Do not click on delete. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna download. Just wait, and then you got the thing, and then you got your MP4 file on your computer. So that's how you So this is how you will record. This is how you download a YouTube video on your own channel without using this. Do not use this. It's a virus. Oh yeah, and make sure you have something that warns you that it's a virus, cause it keeps saying that it has a virus on it, so you're not downloading that, and it blocks it. So bye guys.